Hello guys, how are you to all? Okay, today I will discuss about growth analysis of Blue Smart. Okay, so now I will tell you about Blue Smart. Blue Smart is India's first and leading all-electric ride-hailing mobility service, which was founded in 2019 with a mission to transform urban transportation in India. Now let's talk about vision and mission. Blue Smart aims to steer urban India towards sustainable transportation. They are committed to providing efficient, affordable, intelligent, safe and reliable mobility solution. Now let's talk about service and product. Blue Smart offer a ride-sharing platform with a fleet of electric vehicles like the Mahindra e-Verto, Tata e-Tigor, Tata Express T EV, Hyundai Kona Electric, and are committed to zero emission, making them a customer-centered service. Now let's talk about achievement. What they achieved till now. Blue Smart has made significant strides in the EV market, particularly in Delhi, NCR, and Bangalore, by creating the largest all-electric fleet and fast charging station network. They have also saved over 30,000 tons of carbon dioxide through their service. Now talk about funding. They have raised so far. At least we will talk at least three fundings. So in 2024, they have raised 25 million, and December in 2023, they have raised 24 million. Now talk about their impact and reach. Blue Smart has made a significant impact and expanded its reach in the urban mobility sector, especially in electric vehicle ride-hailing service. So I will tell you 2-3 points about impact of Blue Smart. Blue Smart completed over 11 million all-electric trips, covering 360 million all-electric kilometers. And the company has saved approximately 26,000 metric tons of CO2 since its inception, contributing to reduction in urban pollution and promoting cleaner air. Now I will tell you about their reach. Blue Smart is recognized as India's first and largest zero-emission ride-hailing service and platform. The company has become the most preferred ride-hailing service in the Delhi NCR region. Blue Smart's fleet includes a variety of electric vehicles such as Mahindra e-Verto, Tata Tigor, Tata Express T, Hyundai Kona Electric, and MG ZS Electric, which are part of their commitment to offering sustainable mobility solution. Now talk about their presence and expansion plan. Blue Smart has been expanding its presence across various cities in India. As of the latest information available, I will tell you current operation and expansion plan. So current operation, Blue Smart is operational in the Delhi NCR region, which includes Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport and Gurgaon. They have also established their service in Bangalore. Expansion plan. The company has planned to expand its EV fleet to 6 cities in India over the next 12 to 18 months. Blue Smart aims to add 40 to 50,000 more EVs as its enter new regions like Kolkata, Calcutta, Hyderabad, and Chennai, and depends in present in existing city like Mumbai and Bangalore. Now I will discuss about growth matrix, growth driver, growth challenges, growth opportunity one by one. So first is growth matrix. Blue Smart has completed 10 million emission-free rides as of November 2023, marking a significant milestone in India's electric transportation sector. The company has reported a 100% year-on-year growth, showcasing its rapid expansion. Blue Smart crossed $50 million annual revenue run rate and is growing at more than 100% year by year. Growth driver: the increasing awareness and adoption of electric vehicles due to high fuel prices and global warming concern. Blue Smart unique business model, which include leasing EVs and managing a fleet with a salaried driver, differentiates it from competitors. The company's focus on customer-centric service like zero ride denial, zero surge pricing, and high-quality service. Growth challenges: the capital intensive nature of the business, requiring substantial investment in EVs and charging infrastructure. The small fleet size, which currently limits the availability and frequency of rides, and regulatory challenges, and the need to address skepticism about electric vehicle. Growth opportunity: the ride-hailing market size in India expected to grow from $20 billion to $90 billion by 2030, providing a significant opportunity for expansion. Blue Smart plans to scale its fleet to nearly 80,000 EV across Delhi, NCR, and Bengaluru by 2024.